Let us do voice change of interrogative sentence starting with do. Sentence is, do you buy fruits? Now this do we don't have to include while changing from active to passive voice, so we have cut this out, but we have come to note that it indicates present tense and we'll have to use this is mr auxiliary or helping verb while doing this voice change. Now we know the subject, verb and object, so we are interchanging the places of subject and object. Now fruits comes first and fruits is in plural, so we're using helping verb are, and after that we will have to change this buy verb into past participle form. So buy, bought, we have used bought, and now we'll change the subject to the place of object. This is a statement, but we are given an interrogative sentence, so we have to make it interrogative. So for that we are taking out the auxiliary in front. Are fruits brought by you becomes the final answer. So question becomes question. Try another one. Do they call him? So he comes in front and we have do. We are not cutting this out do, but because of this do we have come to know that it is in present tense. So him, when comes to the place of subject, it becomes he, and we are using the helping verb is in place of that do. Okay, so is he, then they goes to the place of object. By them it becomes, and we have call, so call, we are using the past participle. So straight away we have written is he called by them. Can you do this now? Do you know her? Please write the answer.